Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. So, today we are going to start chapter number 4 of class 5, that is Microsoft Word 2010. We have learned about Microsoft Word 2010 in the previous class. Let us now explore more features of Microsoft Word in this chapter. Right, students? So, Microsoft Word is a word application program in our computer system. Earlier, we have learned about some features of the Microsoft Word. Now, we will learn about some more features. So, first feature is changing text case. Changing text case enables us to represent the text in a different way. It can be used for headings, subheadings, or for tag line. Okay, students. So there are 5 text case as discussed below. So what are these text case? Now, sentence case. The text appears as given below. This is my computer. So this is a sentence case. Lowercase. The text appears as given below. The text appears as given below. This is my computer. Okay, so lower case में क्या होगा कि आपका जो फर्स्ट लेटर होगा आपके सेंटेंस के हर वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर लोअर केस में चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अपर केस लेटर में क्या होगा, आपके सेंटेंस का हर एक लेटर अपर केस में चेंज हो जाएगा. कैपिटलाइज ईच वर्ड का मतलब है कि द टेक्स्ट अपीयर्स एज गिवन बिलो. दिस इज माय कंप्यूटर. तो आपके वर्ड सेंटेंस का हर एक लेटर जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो कैपिटल हो जाएगा. टॉगल केस मतलब क्या होता है, द टेक्स्ट अपीयर्स एज गिवन बिलो. आपके सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट लेटर छोड़ के, हर एक वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर छोड़ के सारे वर्ड्स कैपिटल लेटर्स में चेंज हो जाएंगे. ओके, फॉलोइंग आर द स्टेप्स गिवन टू चेंज टेक्स्ट केस. सो स्टेप 1 इज सेलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट हुज केस टू बी चेंज. ओके, आपको सबसे पहले टेक्स्ट सेलेक्ट करना है जिसका आपको केस चेंज करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी शो यू ऑन द वर्ड पैड, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. So here I will write a sentence. So students, this is a sentence. Computer is my favorite subject. Okay, I want to change the text style of this sentence. Okay, so here I want to change the text case. So select the text whose case is to be changed. Click on the home tab. Click on the change case down arrow in the front in the font group. Okay, a drop down list of menu will appear. Click on the case we want to apply on the text. Okay, so here I will click on the text I want to change the case. Okay, now after clicking on the home tab, I will click on the change case button. After clicking on the change case button, you can see that this text is already in the sentence case. This is a sentence case. Okay students, now this is a lower case. Okay, every first letter of the every letter of your sentence is changed into lower case. Next, this is the upper case. Each and every letter of the sentence has been changed into upper case. Okay, next is capitalize each word. Now the first letter of each word has been capitalized, and next case, last case, is toggle case. So in this case, your first letter is small and all the rest of the letters are in capital form. Okay students, so here we have learned to change the text case. Okay, next we will learn to change the font size. Many times we need to change the font size as per our need. Following are the steps given below to change the font size. Select the text we want to change. Okay, we will select the text. Click on the drop down arrow. The next, the font size box of the home tab. A drop down menu appears. Move the mouse pointer over the various font sizes. A live preview of the font size will appear in the document. Select the font size we want to use. We can also use the grow font or shrink font commands to change the size. Okay, let me show you here that. So this is my sentence. Okay, now I want to change the font size. So in the home tab, I will click on the home change font size button. Okay, and you can see that on clicking on the different size button, the size of my sentence is also changing. Okay students, so this is how you can change the size of your sentence. Okay, next is changing font style. If the font that we have applied is not looking so much attractive, then we can change it. Okay, following are the steps given to change the font style. Select the text we want to change. Okay, click the drop down arrow next to the font box on the home tab. The font drop down menu appears. Move the mouse pointer over the various fonts. A live preview of the font will appear in the document. Select the font we want to use. The font will change in the document. Okay, I will show you here that I want to change the font. So I will select the text and move the cursor over the different fonts, and you can see that it is showing the different fonts on clicking on the different font style. Okay, so I have changed my font style to this, and now you can see that the font of my sentence has changed. Okay, students. Next, we will learn to change the font color. We can also change the font color in our document. We can choose any color of our font that we would like to choose. Okay, following are the steps given to change the font color. So select the top text we want to change. Okay, click the font color of the font color drop down arrow on the home tab. The font color menu appears. Move the mouse pointer over the various font colors. A live preview of the color will appear in the document. Now select the font color we want to use. Okay, so we will do the practical also. First of all, you have to select the sentence of which you have to change the font color. Now, after clicking on the font color button, you can click on the different colors where you can change the font color. See students, now the font color of my sentence has changed. Okay. So this is the new font color of my sentence. Okay. Next is our color choices are not limited to the drop down menu appears. Select more colors. If you want to select more colors, then you have to click on the button that is more colors at the bottom of the list to access the color dialog box. Choose the color that we want to click, that we want, and click OK, students. So this is how you can change the color of your text. Next topic is highlighting the text. If we want to highlight any matter in a document, then we can do it very easily. Okay, students, following are the given steps to highlight the text. So from the home tab, click on the text highlight color, drop down arrow, the highlight color menu appears. Okay, now select the desired highlight color. Select the text we want to change. It will be highlighted. So to switch back to the normal cursor, click on the text highlight color command. Okay, students, now we will learn to highlight the text. So students, I want to highlight this word, that is computer. So I will click on the select highlight text. Okay, now I can select any color to highlight my text. Okay, students. Okay, now you can see that my word computer has been highlighted. Okay, students. Now changing line spacing. In Microsoft Word 2010 document, lines appear close to each line. We can also increase the line spacing of the document by the following steps. Now how can we increase the line spacing? So for that we have to follow these steps. Open the document whose line spacing is to be changed. Select the whole document. Click on the home tab. Click on the down arrow of line and paragraph spacing. A drop down list of line spacing will appear. Okay students, so click on the line spacing you wish to apply. By default, the line spacing is 1.0 in Microsoft Word 2010 document. In the above screenshot, the line spacing is changed to 2.5. Okay, I will also change the line spacing of my document. So I have to select the document. Okay, after selecting, I will click on the paragraph option. Okay, so this is the line spacing option. After clicking on it, you can see that I have changed my line spacing to 2.5. Okay, so line spacing has been changed. Okay, so for suppose this is the next line. So students, right now the line spacing between the paragraph is 2.5, and I can change the line spacing after selecting these sentences. Okay. So I want to change my line spacing to 1.5, and you can see that the line spacing has changed. Okay. Next we will learn to finding text. If we want to find a certain word in Microsoft Word 2010 document, we need to follow the following steps. Okay, what are these steps? Open the document in which we want to find text. You have to firstly open the document, then click on the home tab, click on the find button to in the editing group. फिर आप find button पे click करेंगे in the editing group. Okay, now navigation pane will appear on the left side of the document. ये navigation pane appear होगा. उसके बाद type the word to find the finding text in the finding text search box and press enter. The word will be highlighted in the document. Okay students, let me show you here that this is my, so this is the editing group. Here I will click on the find. Okay, now after clicking on the find, I can see that the navigation pane has appeared, and I will write here word computer. Okay, after writing computer, I can see that my text will be highlighted. Okay students, as you can see that the computer text is highlighted in my paragraph. Okay, so this is how you can highlight the text. Now you will learn the replacing text. Okay, we can replace the old word with a new word in the Microsoft Word 2010 document. Following are the steps given to replace it. So open the document and replace the text. Click on the Home tab, click on the replace button in editing group and find and replace. The dialog box will appear. Type a new word in the replace with text box. Click on replace all. The word will replace and the word will be replaced and the dialog box will appear displaying the message of the confirmation of the replacement. Click on OK. Click on the close button of the find replace dialog box to close it. Okay students, a document appears with the replace word. Now next topic you will learn the copying and pasting text. Select the text we want to copy. Click on the copy command on the home tab. We can also right click on a document to select copy. Place our insertion point where we wish the text to appear. Click on the paste command, the text will appear. Okay students, so now here we will learn to copy the text. Okay, so this is my word file. Okay students, I will click on the sentence. I have clicked on the sentence and I will click on the copy button in the home tab. Now I can paste the same sentence here. Okay students, now my first sentence is copied in the third line. So this is how you can do the copying and pasting in Microsoft Word. Okay students, so now we are done with the practical understanding and reading of this chapter. Now we will go through the backup menu. That is the most important point of this chapter. Okay, so if we have to add text in between a line, then we can insert text. Changing text case enables us to represent the text in a different way. We can also use a grow font and shrink fonts command to change the size. Sometimes we type some text in point to show their points. We can use add bullets to the points. We can also add numbering in the place of bullets to keep the track of our points. We can also increase the time spacing of the document. We can replace the old word with a new word in Microsoft Word 2010 document. Okay students, so this is the backup menu of this chapter. Hope you learned, hope you understood this chapter very well. So students, we will meet in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, keep revising, keep learning. All the best.